Hi dear students, how are you? I think you are doing well. Just let us start our physics like CBSE class 10 physics 100% guaranteed questions. Today I will tell you that how you can score more than 90%, 90 to 95% from NCERT. So refer to NCERT textbook, you can score more than 95%. So I will tell you chapter wise that how can you score more than 90%, 95% plus. This is my guarantee. Just go through these questions. Questions also I will give you, but I will not give you the answers because all the questions I will give you from NCERT book only, chapter wise. So go through the whole book. Definitely you are going to crack the exam. Is it clear? So let us start from chapter light. From light. Which question might come? I can say that it might not come, it will come. 110% guaranteed question. So I am referring my old book, but I will read the question, read out the question. So go through the question. I will give you the in-text questions as well as the exercise question from where you can get the questions. So do by yourself. If you are facing any problem, then comment me. Is it clear? So first question, that one question you are going to get from concave mirror or convex lens. Make sure concave mirror, convex lens. Whatever question it will ask you, that image position, nature and image size. Nature of the image position and size of the image from concave mirror. So go through that. Which question? One or two question also I will give you from page number 170. I will read out the question 170 from my book. An object 4.0 centimeter in size is placed at 25 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15.0 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should the screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? Find the nature and size of the image. This is a in-text question. This is an example. So you go through that example. No need to do it here. Just using that formula 1 by V is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U, you can get the answer. Clear? Definitely this question will come. Otherwise, next question from that in-text question, next page number 170. 171 and 170 and 171. In-text question, just I will read out the question. A concave mirror produces 3 times magnified real image of an object placed at 10 centimeter in front of it. Where is the image located? Go through these two questions. One question is sure. Is it clear? Next one is 10.4. Page number 182. Page number 182. From my book, in my book it is 182 page number, but in your book, what is the page number? You can refer it because this year it is a bit changed, so page number might be changed. That's why I am reading the question. Okay, 10.4. Example 10.4. A 2.0 centimeter tall object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter. The distance of the object from the lens is 15 centimeter. Find the nature, position and size of the image. Also find the magnification. One question from magnification also come in from convex lens. Convex lens, concave mirror. You are getting one question. Clear? Sure, 110%. From exercise, ray diagram also. Let us come to exercise part. In exercise part, question number 2. The image formed by a concave mirror is observed to be virtual, erect and larger than the object. Where should be the position of the object? It's a bit question, one mark question. You are going to get it 100%. Clear? Ray diagram भी आ सकता है. Ray diagram can also come. Be clear. 110% ray diagram will come. Ray diagram means what? Always I am telling my students that you have to give that arrow mark. Otherwise you are going to lose your marks. Clear? Next one is mirror formula, lens formula. You have to remember and you have to go for it. Concave mirror, ray diagram, and which ray diagram, as well as already we have discussed, sixth ray diagram. Just refer my previous video that sixth ray diagram is very important. Why? Because when in that ray diagram only one ray diagram is that which produces virtual image. In convex lens, sixth ray diagram. In concave mirror, sixth ray diagram, as well as in convex mirror lens, sixth diagram. Clear? Is it clear? Sometime it can ask you like this that complete this diagram. Position is here, position of the object is here, focal length is here. So where will be the image formed? Please complete the image. That might be the question. Next one is, let us come to question number 7 from exercise or the question. I read it for you. We wish to obtain we wish to obtain an erect image of an object using a concave mirror of focal length 15 cm. What should be the range of distance of the object from the mirror? What is the nature of the image? Is the image larger or smaller than the object? Draw ray diagram. Draw ray diagram and show the image formation in this case. You are going to get one question. What can be happened? Might be the figure, the numbers might be changed. Here it is written like 15 centimeter focal length is 15 centimeter. In your question might be 10 centimeter the focal length, but you are going to get this question. Clear? So question number 7 and question number 15. Go for question number 15. Only this 4-5 questions you do it, you are going to get all the questions from light. Question number 15. An object of size 7.0 centimeter is placed at 27 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of focal length of 18 centimeter. At what distance from mirror should a screen be placed so that a sharp focused image can be obtained? Find the size and nature of the image. Clear? So out of these questions, you are going one question definitely. From convex lens, question number 10. An object of 5 centimeter in length is held 25 centimeter away from a converging lens of focal length 10 centimeter. Draw the ray diagram and find the position, size and nature of the image formed. Out of all these questions, CBSE is also focusing image, size, nature and position. What does it mean? It means that one question is going to come from all these questions. So many questions are related to that image size, nature and position. So you are going to get one question. So be ready with 3-4 questions. You are going to get one question. Clear? So these many questions are I have selected from chapter light. Next one is human eye. Our next chapter is human eye. Human eye. Human eye. In text question, question number 2. One defect. First, let us discuss what can become from human eye. One defect: myopic and hypermetropia. Myopia and hypermetropia. Guaranteed question. 110% you are going to get one question from here. Clear? Next one is, just a minute. From in-text question, page number in my book, it is in page number 190. What is meant by power of accommodation of the eye? This one, second question, question number 2 from that index questions. A person with myopic eye can't see object beyond 1.2 meter distinctly. What should be the type of corrective lens used to restore proper vision? Already I told you that one correction will be there, 110% you are going to get it. Myopic or heteromyopia. Clear? You are going to get one question. So out of this one, question number 1 and question number 2, just go for it. Next one is in page number 193. This diagram already I have shown. Prism diagram. Yes. Clear? This diagram, page number 193. Dispersion of white light by a glass prism. And second one is this diagram. In same page number, recombination of spectrum of white light. This one or this one, you are going to get 110% just with the ray diagrams, right? Clear? Here you have to write R and V, R for red, V for violet. Okay, here also same. Clear? So how you will get the image on the screen? Recombination of prism, recombination of spectrum by two prisms. You are going to get one question from this two. Clear? Next one is from exercise question number 1. Let us go to the question exercise. Question number 1. The human eye can focus objects at different distance by adjusting the focal length of eye lens. This is due to what? One more question you are going to get. Next one is question number 7. Make a diagram to show hypermetropia is corrected. I repeat, this question is we are going to get it in the board exam. Make a diagram to show how hypermetropia is corrected. The near point of hypermetropia eye is 1 meter. What is the power of the lens required to correct the defect? Assume that the near point of the normal eye is 25 centimeter. One question you are going to get. Question number 6. The far point of myopic person is 80 centimeter in front of the eye. What is the nature and power of the lens required to correct the problem? Question number 5, 6 and 7. Go for it. Question number 5, 6 and 7. You are going to get one question from there. Question number 5. A person needs a lens of power 5.5. This is very, very important. Question number 5. Extremely important question. You are going to get this question this year. A person needs, I repeat the question. When I repeat this question means you are going to get this question. A person needs a lens of power minus 5.5 diopter for correcting his distant vision. For correcting his near vision, he needs a lens of power 1.5 plus 1.5 diopter. What is the focal length of the lens required for correcting distant vision as well as near vision? This year, this question is going to be there. This is highly important, very, very, very important, extremely important. Next one, we will go for electricity. These questions. Next one, we will go for electricity. Electricity. From electricity, what are the questions you are going to get? Clear? Example 12.6, page number 209. 209. Example 12.6. 12.6. It is in my book. Page number 209. Page number 209 in my book. Okay. In your book, it might be in other page, but it is there. Okay. What's the example? I will read the question. A wire is given, a wire of given material having length L and area of cross section A has a resistance of 4 ohm. What would be the resistance of another wire of same material having length L by 2 and area of the cross section of 2A? Okay, so the answer will be 1 by 4, but you have to find it out. It's an example question. Example 12.6. You are going to get this time. Definitely this question is coming in your board exam. Okay, next one is 12.7. This diagram, 12 point figure is there, one figure is there, figure 12.7. Okay, go for that. If you have done this, one figure is like this. Okay, getting the figure? Yes or no? Clear? If you are doing this, if you can do this, if you can solve this, then you can solve anything. One question will come from this registers in parallel or series, and this is very important. Okay, and 12.6 also you can go through that. R1, R2, R3. Here it is R1, R2 and R3. Okay, as you know that in series R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3, but here in parallel 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. I repeat all these things again and again. Just remember these formulas. This will definitely come. Okay, 110%. Clear? Next one is okay. Next one, the question example is example 12.7. An electric lamp whose page number 212. 212 page number. Okay, page number 212. Example 12.7. Example 12.7. Mark it. An electric lamp whose resistance is 20 ohm and a conductor of 4 ohm resistance are connected to a 6 volt battery. Calculate the total resistance of the circuit, the current through the circuit, and the potential difference across the electric lamp and the conductor. 110%. I can say it is 200% question. Total resistance, current, okay, current through the circuit or total resistance through the circuit or potential difference. 110% you are going to get. Instead, 200% you are going to get this question. Make sure. Next one is, we will go to the page number, 216, heating effect. Okay, from heating effect, one question you are going to get. Okay, 216 in text, question number 2. Question number 2, 216. An electric lamp of 100 ohm, a toaster of resistance 50 ohm, and a water filter of resistance 500 ohm are connected in parallel to a 220 volt source. What is the resistance of an electric iron connected to the same source that takes as much current as all three appliances, and what is the current through it? Okay, 110% you are going to get this question. Okay, might be, what can be changed, what might be changed like lamp is not 100 ohm, lamp the resistance of the electric lamp or electric toaster, the ohm resistance might be changed. Here it is 100 ohm, that might be 50 ohm. This can be changed, the numbers can be maybe changed, otherwise the question will be same. Clear? You are going to get this question, so go for it. It is very important, highly important question. Clear? Next one is diagram based question. You are going to get 110% diagram based. Already I have told you one or two diagram I said. Those two diagrams you go through it. You are going to get it. Now we will go to the exercise part. Exercise page number here it is in 221 and 22. Page number 221 and 22 page number. Okay. What are the questions? Question number 4. Two conducting wire of the same material and equal lengths and equal diameter are first connected in series and then in parallel in a circuit across the same potential difference. The ratio of heat produced in series and parallel combinations would be. What is the answer? Okay, it is 1 mark question. It might be 2 mark question also. Okay, one question you are going to get here. Question number 4. Next we will go to question number 9. A battery of 9 volt. Exercise question number 4 and question number 9, question number 15. Question number 4, 9, 15. Very important. Question number 9 is a battery of 9 volt is connected in series with resistors of 0.2 ohm, 0.3 ohm, 0.4 ohm, 0.5 ohm and 12 ohm respectively. How much current would flow through the 12 ohm resistor? You are going to get this question also, this type of question. Next one is we will go for 15. Two lamps are rated 100 watt and 220 volt. One is 100 watt and 220 volt and other one is 60 watt and 220 volt are connected in parallel to electric main supply. What current is drawn from the line if the supply voltage is 220 volt? Question number 4, 9 and 15. These three questions are very important. Very important. You are going to get these questions. Next one is last chapter, magnetic effect. Last one is our magnetic effect of electric current. Magnetic effect. From magnetic effect, from page number 200, page number 230, 230, there is an in-text question, okay, which is extremely important. 230 is an extremely important. Question number 3. Choose the correct option. The magnetic field inside a long straight solenoid carrying conductor. Solenoid versus bar magnet. Bar magnet, north, south, from north to south. 110 times I am telling you that this question you are going to get. But these marks, diagrams, arrow marks, ray, you have to mention north to south. Again it is going from south to north. Inside the magnet, this is magnet, this is the bar magnet, this is south, this is north. From inside it is going from south to north, outside north to south. Same thing in solenoid also same. Solenoid acts like a bar magnet. Okay, you are going to get one question from solenoid. Solenoid is extremely important, more important than the bar magnet. Clear? And another straight carrying conductor. Straight carrying conductor. This question also you will get. You might get, or this one. Clear? What is this? Coil. Current through a coil. Okay. Next one is we will go to the exercise. Clear? This diagram you are going to get. One diagram you are going to get 110%. Means sure short question. Next one is we will go to the exercise. Okay. In exercise, question number 15. Exercise. Question 15, 17 and 18. 17 and 18. Very, very important. Extremely important. 15, 17 and 18. Extremely important. What is 15? Let us read the question. 15. State the rule to determine the direction of magnetic field produced around a straight conductor carrying current, force experienced by the current carrying straight conductor placed in magnetic field which is perpendicular to it, and third one is current induced in a coil due to its rotation in magnetic field. Third part, third bit is the right hand rule. So it is not in our, in this time, this year, it is not in our syllabus, so it is not going to come, but first part and second part will come from question number 15. Next one is question number 17. When does an electric short circuit occur? Very, 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 very important. Extremely highly important. 100% it will come. Third one is question number 18. What is the function of earth wire? Why earth wire is there? Okay. Why it is necessary to earth metallic appliances? Okay. What will happen if earthing will be not there? What are the problem you may face? That will be there in this year. So it's all for today. It's all for physics today, and in next class we will discuss about chemistry. I hope today's session is very, very interesting and helpful to you. So go through this whole session and crack the exam. Thank you. Bye bye.